The model of the truck is PDTH. The model of the truck is PDTHR 200 meters depth brand new drilling rig. The make of the truck is Ashok Leyland 4x2. The model of the compressor is ELGI 1100 CFM 300 PSI. You can see a side view of the rig where the truck has been loaded with the drill rods, hammer and the rig operating accessories. The machine is all set for the dispatch. The rig consisting of the mud pump 5x4.5, with the mast is mounted with the RH gearbox control panel. Here is the back view of the truck. Here is the another challenge for truck. Side view where the truck has been placed on the trailer. This machine can drill up to 200 to 250 meters depth with hard rock, DTH and also the soft mud road. Drilling machine equipped with the strongest mast. Here is the front view of the truck where the truck has been placed on the trailer. For more inquiries, you can visit our Facebook page Prime Rigs Limited and also our website prime-rigs.com. Thanks for watching. Thank you.